Once upon a time, all birds gathered to choose a bird king to lead them. Among them were two birds who wanted to be king. They were Crow and Owl, who had a majority of supporters. Eager to win, the two birds started to speak ill of each other. The Crow said, "That owl has big eyes and is a vicious animal. He should not be king." While the owl told the other birds that crow not only has black skin, but also black bones and black mind. He is a thief and cannot be king. The fight between the owl and the crow made it hard for majority of the birds to choose one, so they decided to choose another candidate, the phoenix, to be king instead. As the king now, the phoenix advised the crow and the owl that fighting and speaking ill of each other does not bring any good other than losing, and it gives others to grab the opportunity. Despising of each other, the crow and the owl divided time to make their living. Crow only goes out at daytime, while owl goes out at nighttime.